Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on Lincoln MKX, and if you have problems with your engine computer, the PCM, it's the Powertrain Control Module guys, that's what is actually controlling your engine, transmission and all that stuff. We'll show you guys where to find the relay for it. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any questions. So let's start on this one and show you where to find the relay now. So when you open the hood of your Lincoln MKX guys, this is your engine computer, Powertrain Control Module. It's known as PCM. Okay, it's right here. We have a video how to replace it if you need one. You have two nuts here, you have to disconnect the wiring harness, and after that guys, okay, let us show you where the relay is. Always check relays, and we'll have a video on the channel that explains how to test the relay as well. Here you have one clip, so you push that clip this way and pull it up. Okay, and now if you want to guys remove the cap completely so it's not in the way, just twist it a little bit. Now let us show you guys. Okay, on the back side of that fuse box cover you can find guys the number of the fuses and the relays printed, but the bad news, you don't know what they're for. So in today's video we'll explain which relay is for the PCM or the engine computer. Now looking at it guys, okay, it's relay number 20, and if you need to replace it and buy a new one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and where you can get one from for your convenience guys, so please do check it out. Now that relay guys, all we have to do, okay, it's relay number 20, this one here, grab it, twist it a little bit, don't go left or right, just backwards, forward and pull it out. Now again, we have guys on the channel under the description of the video to see where we buy our replacement ones. Also we have a video how you test one, so that way you don't have to waste your money. This is the relay for the PCM. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.